There is a lot of innovation happening when it comes to large language models. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this new concept of self-rewarding language models. Self-rewarding LLMs are where the language model itself is used via LLM as a judge, prompting to provide its own reward during the training. In this research, the researchers have shown that just by using iterative DPO training, that not only does instruction following ability improve, but also the ability to provide high quality reward to itself. If you go through the paper, there are a lot of interesting things which comes out. For example, they have fine-tuned Llama to 70 billion parameter model on 3 iterations of their approach, which is self-rewarding LLM, and that has yielded a model that outperforms many existing systems on Alpaca Eval 2 leaderboard, including Claude 2, Gemini Pro, and GPT-4, which is amazing. This study is still a very early stage study and on its very preliminary foundations, but still this work opens the door to the possibility of models that can continually improve in both axes. Now this could be the beginning of Llama 3 model, and these researchers, which I think I'm not sure where they are, but this research could very well be for the Llama 3 model, which everyone is waiting now, and which is being touted as the competitor of GPT-4 Vision, plus also the Claude 2 and Google's Gemini Pro. Now, what they have done here is, if you go through this paper in detail and if you look at this diagram, they started with Llama 70 billion, fine-tuned on Open Assistant data, and then they used this model to generate prompt plus multiple responses to same prompt. And then same model was used as a judge to rank on responses, and then afterwards they used direct preference optimization plus rankings to retrain the model. And they did 3 iterations and repeated these steps 3 times. And as I said earlier, they already have found out that on Alpaca Eval, it has already beaten GPT-4, which is a big thing for an open source model. Also, this model has achieved 20.44% win rate without using GPT-4 outputs for training. Model has also shown that it can simultaneously improve in instruction following and reward modeling. Lastly but not least, LLM-Judge pairwise accuracy increases from 65.1% to 81.7% in 3 iterations. Big thing. I'll drop the link to this paper in video's description so that you can read along, but really huge kudos to all of these researchers. That's it. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thank you very much.